Once the automation workflows are tested, they are submitted to Orchestrator, which securely manages the compliant deployment and management at enterprise scale. One way to get Orchestrator is as part of UiPath Automation Cloud, which is a SaaS offering that takes less than a minute to get started and can scale as you need to grow. You can also install Orchestrator on premises or in a third-party cloud. However you deploy, it has the same web-based interface, detailed logs of all robot actions, both attended and unattended, provide enterprise-grade centralized governance. Across Orchestrator, you have very granular control of permissions for access, deployment, and monitoring through an easy role-based model. UiPath Orchestrator also has a tenant-based model, which maximizes operational and cost efficiency by letting you separate the management of different groups, say HR and finance. Robots are now ready to get into the action. Every step in the accounts payable process we've just automated is executed just like a clerk does. With the help of UiPath AI Computer Vision, robots see the screen objects contextually, which helps greater accuracy, precision, and reliability in execution. Attended robots reside on the same machine where the clerks are working. Chetan can open UiPath Assistant and run the invoice processing automation any time of the day. He can continue to work while the robot executes in the background. If we want to run the invoice processing automation in unattended mode, we can use Orchestrator to set the trigger. We can schedule a robot or group of robots to run at a specific time of the day or based on the items in the work queue. As our robots work away, they may encounter a scenario that is unique or challenging that requires human guidance. In our case, if there are any invoices which are higher than $25,000, or in case of escalation, robots can notify a supervisor for any input. We call this human-robot collaboration or human in the loop. And you can set this up anytime you want to validate activity or input. A robot can create a task that would be assigned to the clerk or manager. While it waits for an action from the supervisor, the robot can pick up a different task or other items in its work queue. Ganguly is a procurement manager who gets all the escalations from the robot. Assuming that there is a field from the invoice which needs correction, Ganguly can review and approve it in validation station. Once Ganguly completes the tasks by resolving the issues raised, the robot can resume the task where it left off. This gives you flexibility of developing long-running workflows and lean processes.